Hello! Namaste! Mabuhay! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Hands-on Happy Hands. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you! Happy hands making! Our art and craft video for today is making a Christmas elf for Christmas decoration. Merry Christmas everyone! Enjoy the video! Christmas elf is known to be the helper of Santa Claus. They are also called Santa's helper or Santa Claus magical elves. Christmas elf is wearing a beautiful green or red clad costume. They have lovely pointy ears and fantastic pointy hats. They live with Santa Claus in North Pole. Christmas elves are making toys as Christmas presents. They are baking cookies and making candies. By the way, we love to eat cookies and candies too. Christmas elves are also taking care of the reindeer and Santa Claus sleigh. It says that Christmas elves are really good in watching children's behavior and reporting back to Santa Claus. Enjoy the Christmas season! Merry Christmas everyone! Please like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to my channel Hands-on Happy Hands with me, Princess. Thank you very much for watching!